Not for real. Guys, it's me, Savannah Reed for Channel Action News, and today is Halloween. Not for real life, but LPS, right? And it's not to go there. Here's the cupcake. I'm a big fan of you. Here, kids, $1 million. But kids, make sure don't go into that haunted house. It's in Senior LPS Lake. Enjoy. I'm enjoying it. Mom, me. Blah, 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 blah. Stay safe from the haunted house. Well, guys, it's time to go trick-or-treating.
Well, it doesn't sound really haunted to me. Me neither. Let's go.
Yeah, let's go.
Have a good day. Good night, trick-or-treating. Stay safe and don't go to Senior Lake.
Okay, Mrs. Elizabeth's mom, let's go.
Bye, Mom.
Hey, is that your mom, Shelby?
Yeah, why?
Wait, your name ain't Shelby. My name is Shelby. Your name is Elizabeth. Okay, let's go.
My last name is Elizabeth.